Hi, I'm Nick Stanley, CTO of LocaLoop. I'm going to talk today about how LocaLoop is using cloud technology to solve a problem we're all familiar with since the internet came into existence. Rural America requires wireless broadband internet services as much, if not even more, than the big cities. Rural communities and the small businesses that provide livelihoods for the people living there depend on broadband internet services for everyday living, education, business, and commerce. Before LocaLoop's invention, the only path open for wireless broadband internet service providers was to go down a well-traveled road, what we at LocaLoop call the legacy approach. Operators had to establish their own data centers with on-premise specialized applications for billing, customer care, network management, workflow, accounting, and so on. All of that required specialized knowledge to build and run. That path proved workable for some with deep pockets, but not for all. The need to roll your own created a barrier to entry in the form of very expensive, high-cost, high-maintenance infrastructure that had to be complete and ready to go before the operator could sign up their very first customer. The founder of LocaLoop, Carl Torup, came from Sweden, where he had already had an early vision of the potential for what would soon become the cloud, as he co-founded and co-developed an early internet-driven technology solution for rural Sweden. That eventually became the LocaLoop product. LocaLoop's product is built like a three-legged stool. It's simple and very stable. First of all, it's a turnkey model, where our experienced technologists apply their expertise to the same general problems facing all rural operators. Secondly, it leverages the power of the cloud to build a software as a service, or SaaS model, bringing together under a single user interface all of what used to be those different on-premise applications. Third, by offering that cloud-based infrastructure as a service, or IaaS, everything a rural operator will need is there. A single point of contact for support comes with it. The LocaLoop model has radically broken down the barriers to entry for rural areas and created a new model. A true B to B to C and B, which is a mouthful, but that stands for business to business, to consumer and business, and a highly automated end-to-end broadband internet service delivery solution. We here at LocaLoop have made that vision very real. As I speak, we have operator partners in 22 states from coast to coast. We started with the critical decision to partner with Microsoft's Azure cloud services. Unlike legacy providers, we didn't build our application on a desktop and move it to the cloud sometime later. Instead, we started on day one to write every single line of code in the cloud, where it can leverage the capabilities from Microsoft's global Tier 1 public cloud and its enormous resources, its support, and staying power. Our application is purpose-built for its mission and leverages 4 patents that Carl Torup and his co-inventors developed. What we have left in the physical world is only what is needed. That's the radios on the towers and the radios on the side of subscribers' homes and businesses. For a few specialized technologies from our partners, we've even virtualized their applications into Azure as well, sometimes breaking new ground in the process. The LocaLoop model is the model for deployment, building on standardization, replication, and scalability, the same model that's being used by Salesforce.com, Amazon, Facebook, and other global powerhouses in the cloud marketplace. I want to speak briefly in advances of radio technology and antenna design. New technologies coupled with more radio spectrum recently made available by the Federal Communications Commission for the rural environment has allowed our customers' operators to manage ever-increasing demand from their own subscribers. And it's not 5G that's the solution. That technology is hardly defined, much less deployed, and it's not ready. Likewise, 5G is first and foremost an urban, very high-density solution and very expensive to boot. Instead, 5G will become like 4G was, and it'll spin off new technologies and applications that'll be more suitable for our marketplace. LocaLoop is confident in its cloud solution. Across the board, LocaLoop's cloud platform is designed to be future-proof and ready for any future technology advances. In short, the LocaLoop cloud-driven 4G network solution is a complete turnkey business solution, encompassing our software as a service cloud-based business model for automated service creation, delivery, and billing of personalized services on demand. That product is here today and providing high levels of consistent and reliable broadband internet service to residences and businesses. And you can run it from a smartphone anywhere in the world. To get more information, please visit our website at LocaLoop.com or give us a call on our Minneapolis headquarters, 952-236-7621. Thank you for your time and attention.